Straumann claims that delivering its implant in a vial filled with sterile saline will make the surface more hydrophilic and that this will reduce healing time. The question is whether there is any clinical advantage to this packaging variation that can justify the extra $67 Straumann charges in the US. Straumann relies on studies showing that SLActive implants were successful when loaded at 4 weeks, but these studies did not use a control of the same implant loaded immediately, which also may have shown high success. Another unique selling proposition of Straumann implants is its use of titanium zirconium alloy called rock solid rather than titanium 6Al4V alloy used by most other implant companies and the orthopedic industry. Titanium zirconium alloys are more brittle and therefore potentially more likely to fracture. This Boozer study in mini pigs comparing SLA to SLActive surfaces on Straumann implants shows that torque removal during the 3rd to 4th week following implantation of an SLActive implant did not dip as much as the SLA surface implants. Both initially and by the 8th week, there was no difference in torque removal. This chart from a Zimmer Dental study compared primary stability achieved with its tapered screw vent implant to that of the Nobel Active, Nobel Replace, and Straumann straight bone level implants. It generated 100% more than Straumann's implant. From a clinical standpoint, achieving high initial torque allows for immediate loading of the implant. What the torque values are at the 3rd to 4th week after implantation is of little consequence. You're either going to get enough initial torque to load the implant immediately, or you're going to leave it for 8 to 12 weeks and let healing occur before placing the implant into function. Far more important is the relationship between the implant design and its surgical protocol in achieving high initial stability to allow immediate loading even in soft bone. These pictures show blood running up SBM and HA-coated implant direct implants. So claims of unique advantages by Straumann of its hydrophilic implant surface have never been clinically proven.